Did you know that Cape Cod once faced an unexpected battle between birds? It wasn't just any bird fight, it was a war. In the 1950s, Cape Cod was overwhelmed by millions of birds, causing chaos for the locals. But why did this happen? Scientists discovered that the birds were migrating earlier than usual, due to changing weather patterns leading to overcrowding. Residents tried various methods to scare away the birds, from loud noises to fake predators, but nothing worked. Then a surprising solution emerged, using falcons to control the bird population. It was risky, but ultimately effective. The bird war of Cape Cod became a fascinating example of human ingenuity and nature's unpredictability. Today, Cape Cod remembers this unique event, reminding us of the delicate balance between humans and wildlife.